good? I'm Weezy, and today I'll be helping assist my client install her own customized upgrade wig. She's gonna do it all by herself, y'all. You ready?
Yes.
Yeah? All right, let's do it. All right, cap. You need your cap. That's how you start off. This was gonna give you, here, take it.
Oh, thank you.
This is gonna give you the scalp effect.
Wrap it up.
Yeah, go ahead, slide on. Stuff your braids in there. There you go. You got it? Mm-hmm. Perfect. Got like a little, get it all in there. Cool. You have foundation or concealer or something, just so that we can tone it with your actual skin? Okay.
So do I just put it apply it in here?
Mm-hmm. Like dip just a little amount. Start kind of back here. And just work your way up. And you have a closure wig, so you don't need to do it all the way. Just do it just wherever your part gonna be. Then go across.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Right in front. Yeah, that's good. Keep going, keep going. And whatever you had left over, we're gonna put it on the actual lace.
Oh wow,
Yeah. That's what give it the, just make it blend and give it that scalp effect.
Loosen up.
That's good.
Perfect.
That's good. Yeah, put the rest on here from your brush. And you don't really have to focus on nothing but like the part and like right in the front.
So this.
Let's see. Yes, perfect. Wherever your part gonna be, that's what you have to focus on. And then do a cross.
Right?
Right in the front.
Oh.
That's perfect. That's perfect.
Hey,
Good. Okay. Then you're gonna you can use scissors or you can use a razor, whatever you prefer. I prefer like a razor, but whatever you're comfortable with. What you comfortable? Scissors. So when you cutting it, you just gonna cut like at the hairline.
Okay.
Meaning, wherever you see hair, you cut right in front of it. So you can start. I typically start right here from right here. Yeah, right there. And then just kind of go all the way across. There you go. Perfect. Let me check it out. You look good, man. So if you want to, you can always go back with your makeup or whatever. You can go on the top. Yeah, and if you need more, you can put more, but that's it. Come. Take it. So you can flip it however you want to put your wig on. That's how you do it. So you can do it. You can bend your head over, or you can like that. There you go. Yeah, so when you see it like that, you can go across. Wherever you feel like you had too much lace at, you can kind of just nip it with the thing, with the scissors. And then you can also apply more makeup. I want you to apply more makeup. Okay. Just so you can really tint it.
Powder.
Okay. Powder, concealer, foundation, cream, whatever works for you. There you go.
Should the cap be further up?
Yeah, so if you see your cap, if you see like, I feel like it's a line or whatever, you can do one or two things. You can pull it up and kind of tint it with something darker underneath, just so that it'll cancel out when they actually put the lace on it. Or if you want to, you can melt it down. Right. So whatever you feel comfortable with, it'll work.
Okay. So let's take this off.
There you go.
Let's cut it off
Hold
a
it
little
for you.
bit.
Gotcha. Put it right there. So put,
So I'm gonna put some more makeup.
yeah, put some more on there. Yeah. Gotta need a little more coverage.
Yeah.
Because when you put the wig on, it typically is gonna slide back a little bit, so that's cool too.
Okay.
Cool. There you go. And remember about your straps. You got your 2 straps, so you may want to.
Oh, you attach it in the back.
There you go. Wherever you feel like it'll be comfortable at. So go ahead and do it before you put it on. And then you also have these. So you can either tuck these away, like you don't use them, because if you have this, you're really good. But if you want to, you can also attach these to the little loops.
Oh, for more
Yeah,
security.
yeah.
Perfect.
And sometimes you can take your comb and just slide it right underneath the lace, like how I'm sliding underneath that cap. And that'll get like all the little wild hairs under there, and your lace actually may be bent. So that'll kind of smooth it out. So try that.
Oh, I see what
You see what I'm saying? And then you readjust your wig, pull it up. Yeah. Let me check you out. There you go. And you can kind of adjust it wherever you want it. If you feel like it's too far up, too far back, however you want to do that.
No, I like it.
You like it? Okay. Last thing you can do as far as makeup, take like a brush. This is gonna be for your part. And you put whatever you've been putting on there, and that's how you'll define it more. It just make it look more perfect, more straight. See, it's coming together, you see it?
Yes.
Okay, talk to me.
I love it so far.
Talk to me. Yes. Cool?
Yes.
You like it?
I like it.
All right.
The line straight.
Now listen. You said the line straight enough. So now I want you to take some type of holding spray. I typically use this. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna spray it right across the front. Don't put too much, because you don't wanna make it too thick and too product-y. Just spray a little bit, like that. Okay.
Okay.
You got it? Okay. Take your strip, you can use satin, cotton, whatever. And you're gonna place it right along the hairline, and you're gonna tie it underneath. So if you wanna pin your hair up before you do that, I have a clip right here, just so you can have more structure to it. Yeah. I ain't helping you. There you go. Fold it. Like that, perfect. Just pull it up a little bit. You want to cover the lace completely.
Oh.
Right there. That's okay.
All right.
That's all right. Okay. And what that's doing is that it's gonna melt the actual lace right into your skin. So when you take it off, after it dry, you can put a blow dryer on it, you can go ahead and do your makeup, get dressed, or whatever you wanna do. You take it off, it'll be completely melted into your skin. So for the time being, you can moisturize it. And the reason you're gonna put a little serum on it is because typically when they customize wigs, they come already curled. So with curls, you have to use some type of holding spray. So that'll make the hair just a little hard because it's holding the curls. You know, you gotta ship it, stuff like that. So when you get it, you put a little serum on your hand, about a dime amount. Rub it all in there.
Oh, you put it all in.
All in there, like lotion. Cause see, when you run through, I like to run it through with my actual hands.
Okay, okay.
So you want that serum to hit everywhere. And you really focusing on the ends, stuff like that. About that much.
Thank you. Okay.
Start on the ends. And the reason you start on the ends, because if you start up here, you're gonna make the top really oily. Right. We want the hair to move. Yeah. There you go.
It's so soft.
You look good too. And then you take your a brush and just brush the top, just to smooth everything out. And another little trick you can do, just put a little holding spray on there, and that'll kind of cancel out all the flyaways. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Then next, how do you prefer to comb your curls out?
I normally like the messy look.
Like messy look?
Yeah.
So you can use a Y2 comb.
Perfect.
So typically, I had a client to flip their hair all the way over. I spray and then I comb through it, but you don't have to do all that. You can just kind of bend over and just kind of comb your curls through like that.
Okay. From the bottom?
Start from the bottom. Always start from the bottom. See how that hair bouncing?
Yes.
That's some good hair. Yeah. And you don't have to make sure it look good. So we're gonna get there. Yeah. You're just loosening them up. Right. Then you'll take a small comb, and this is how you're gonna bring your hair to the front and kind of start styling it to the front like that. It's giving real, like, you know, like a nice little roller wrap.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Yeah.
Look natural. That's the goal.
You can kind of comb them back. And then sometimes we can push it up like that and stuff like that. It look good. Then spray some holding spray on your hand and just run the top.
Is it better?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Cause you may spray too much, stuff like that.
Okay.
Good. By this time, this should be dry for the most part. And so what you do, just take it off. However you take it off. Typically, you can rip it from right there. Good.
Looks great.
Doing good. And any little hairs that got stuck, you can kind of loosen them up. Just always make sure when you loosen them up, you're holding your lace. Because remember, it's glueless. And then you can kind of finesse it how you want to again. Okay? Feel good?
Yeah.
Feel comfortable? Good.
I love it.
Curls bouncing. It wasn't that bad, right?
No, it wasn't.
Come on, man. Real easy. You didn't even spend a lot of time on it either.
No, I didn't. That's the amazing part about
So you can get in and get out. You got somewhere to be, pop it on. And when you get home, you can take it off.
Perfect.
Cool. Boom, that was easy, right?
Yes.
Good?
So easy.
Okay, good. Real quick. So we appreciate y'all for tuning in. Whenever you got your wig, it should be just as easy as it was for her to put her wig on, and everything will go good.
Bye.